Hello traders. Today Thursday, May 21st. If you saw the previous video, the video from yesterday, you saw extremely clearly how brutal and nasty markets were at this alpha Fibonacci resistance. This level identified days in advance. This is a post we had in the trading room since yesterday morning. So what happened to poor longs at this alpha Fibonacci resistance? Yesterday was war zone. Price was stuck completely. What did I post it? What did I share it clearly? For the last 2 days, we need powerful pullback. It finally played out in Asian session. US session market was absolutely brutal. Asian European session was beautiful. Right now we are at alpha Fibonacci resistance. This is critical day trading levels that we knew days in advance. It's a crucial Thursday class. It's a crucial module 3 and 4. Where you learn how to identify these critical levels. And if I convert this chart to 2, to 3, to 5, to 15, identical formula remains. If you know your critical Fibonacci levels in advance, you can trade anything. Apple, stocks, Forex, anything you choose. Choice is yours. Right now, market is stuck. Intelligent trader understands the danger of this support. Intelligent trader knows we have a very limited trading range. And if you trade 10, 15-minute chart, identical formula remains. We knew this days in advance. As we know days in advance, this level, what intelligent trader wants. And if I convert back to daily, we knew this days in advance, that this is institutional resistance. It's no longer institutional support. So if price collapsing from this resistance, it's a gift. Agree? And if you view the previous video, you also know extremely well that we knew this level months in advance, as we knew this support, which was stunning place to buy from. So when bullish rally exhausted, 6,000 points later, intelligent trader not surprised what's causing a problem. Pullback is what intelligent trader monitors for. Without powerful pullback, buyers exhausted and sellers are worthless. That's what's playing out in front of you. There is nothing in common between spectacular versus brutal markets. So low as the price collapses, more interesting market will become. Last week was phenomenal. Bullish trend inception, where intelligent trader was buying the market from ultimate bullish support. So, pullback is a gift, as stated days in advance, from alpha Fibonacci resistance. Clear on this? So when we're speaking with students, this is what students have done prior to the market open. Gene, 10 points S&P. Brad, almost 4 points on S&P. Boom. Prior weeks, you've seen multiple posts. 10, 15, 20 posts from students. Because prior week was spectacular. This week, traders challenged. Trader who knows and demands powerful pullback and understands institutional trading ranges is not a problem. Trading at critical times without any hand-holding. Jean updating us. I'm sorry, Emmanuel. 30 ticks on gold. Gold always moving. So this is a pullback that intelligent trader demanded and wanted prior to placing the trade. Crucial and critical. If you are playing markets as you're playing chess game, you are never in pain. If you know crucial buy and sell zones that software show you, you are not speculating. You are not chasing markets. You are well prepared, spending very little time in front of the screen. Knowing dates in advance, crucial buy levels, crucial sell zones, crucial pain as played out yesterday on the most brutal day in months. And when finally pullback will play out, market will be spectacular again. So this is the most important thing in your life and in your trading. Being humble, being grateful. This is a beautiful, beautiful morning. Good morning, love. What a light, what a joy. Positivity, humbleness, and gratefulness are core of community of Alpha Fibonacci traders. All you have to do, be serious about trading. All you have to do is conquer your greed and ego. I give you Ferrari. All you have to do, drive with rules. Again, to remind you, intelligent trader buying pullbacks. Intelligent trader understands bullish rally simply taking a pause at critical resistance. Ultimate place to buy last week, support. Buyers exhausted, sellers are worthless. Intelligent trader never shorts into bullish train. Here comes the buyers. We're not surprised. We are well prepared. We know institutional and day trading buy zones. So here's long traders in front of you. As we knew, we expected buyers to step in. So what are we understanding very, very clearly about this market? That this is critical alpha Fibonacci level in front of you that will show you the power or weakness of the buyers. Clear on this? Did we know or did we know that institutions buying this market viciously? Of course. But we also know critical moments on your trades to the tick. This is the end of the minor trend. Trade is not on 1 minute chart. Trade converted to 1 minute chart on purpose. Again, powerful pullback is a gift. Intelligent trader knew this days in advance. Intelligent trader well prepared. So here we go. Great trading, even in brutal markets. Jennifer, gold 27 ticks, S&P 2 points. Boom, Jennifer never traded Dow before, 10 points on Dow. Did we know or did we know that this would be a major problem? Of course. This is a market that shows you how crucial this bright pink line is. This bright pink line identifies the end of the minor trend. If you do not know where bright pink line is, in these markets, you cannot produce these results. These traders know clearly the importance of this level. especially in such challenging markets. So, pay attention to this level, please. All of these traders know this clearly. Every day, every single time. If you will ever choose to ignore this level, success is not possible. This identifies weakness and counter trend critical target. If price is not breaking through this level, market is stuck. This level is out, buyers picking up this steam, bullish trend becoming major. One step at a time. Doesn't matter if you're trading pound, euro, Bitcoin. Doesn't matter what you trade. Choice is yours. Critical moment this morning on Dow. So when market stages such dangerous formation, this is how trader stays out of trouble. This plays out in the current markets at least 40% of the time as we are dealing with exhausted institutional rallies. This level in a play at all times. Market stuck and frozen. So as you could see, all the students are absolutely clear on what just played out in the markets. We monitored crucial bullish pullback. We knew extremely well that this moment in the market was critical. Buyers confirmed bullish weakness. Crucial moment in the market. So here we are at the key level that we knew days in advance. Buyers are weak. Bullish pullback is weak. This is crucial moment. So here we go, traders. Dow already pulled back up instantly, 10 points. So here we go, traders. Market moving to the upside. When Dow is moving, Dow moving extremely fast. You decide what chart you want to trade. Again, dream level is this. We're not at dream level. We are midway. Intelligent trader who trades with institutions understand what this means. Taking advantage of the market, looking to buy as low as possible. Sell-offs are a gift. Stunning. Because intelligent trader trading with institutions, not against them. So formations like this playing out in the market at all times that require your ultimate precision, your ultimate knowledge. Critical support in a play. Intelligent trader understands what to pay attention to. Chart books running in front of you. Intelligent trader choosing the best trade for his and her account. When 10, 15, 20 trades playing out at the same time. Choose your ultimate trade with risk management for your account. We knew hours in advance that this is critical place to buy from. And that's the power of the system. You're operating with scanner. You understand critical buy and sell zones. Even during the worst market conditions, you are in excellent shape. Trading only institutional buyers. Never trading against institutions. Even in the toughest markets. This is the power of the system. If you know where to buy from, if you understand hours and days in advance where institutions taking positions, you are not wasting your time. You are not staring at the screen. You are not losing money. You stop chasing the markets. You start trading with quality only. All of this been done hours and days in advance. Simple. Powerful pullback is critical. That's it. So here's an amazing work done 12 points on Dow from the bottom. So as we knew months in advance what 18,000 level will be on Dow, this is institutional level on Dow now. How many points is Dow up right now from 18,000 level? How many? Almost 7,000 points, traders. 18,000 to 25,000 level. That's the power of the system. When you know to buy the bottom, when you understand where alpha Fibonacci support levels are months in advance. Last week was spectacular. This week is brutal. Intelligent trader looks to buy pullbacks, knowing where support is. So as you could see, traders doing an incredible job. Jennifer 6.25 points S&P. Don understands. Used to be a trigger cowboy, not anymore. Is the most crucial part of your trading. Demand quality trades, understand what institutions do, and never short the market randomly. You decide what chart you want to trade. Choice is yours. When price is stuck, when price is not staging powerful moves, intelligent trader would never touch meaningless markets. Intelligent trader only buys from support and sells from resistance. No pain, no torture, no wasted time. None. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you enjoyed the power of trading with institutions and not against them with Alpha Fibonacci system. More details in live classes, modules, and videos.